welcome to my channel. Today we will make a beautiful painting, but not on a paper but in the computer. So first I will show you how to open the paint program, then I will give you a quick tour of paint program, then we will make a beautiful painting. Okay, so let's start. So when you open your desktop and you see these all icons, down you see here a Windows 7. You click on it. Okay, in my laptop I have Windows 7. Okay, so when you click on that, you see many options and no need to scroll down anything. So, it's somewhere here only. If you don't find it, you just have a search option. You can do that, and then we can maximize. Oh, I think you all know the minimize and maximize buttons, I guess. So first here we have the colors. Here we have color 2 and color 1. Color 2 is for background color. It is always white. You can change it. Like, click on this and you can change it to black or something, but you'll have to use this thing. You have black or yellow. Many colors here. So we want white for now. Here is the color 2, and here color 1 is the foreground color. It is always black when you open the paint program. You can change it too. Like if I want brown, look, the line is brown. Do you see that? Wait, let's have a new paper. Yeah. And here is the size changing. Like here we have a thin line, here a little bit less thin, and here is a little bit more less thin, and here is the thickest. Okay, so this is the size 1, and here we have the shapes. We have many shapes. We can even scroll down and up. We have many shapes. If you scroll down, you see some more of them. Okay, and here we have the brushes. If you want paintbrush or a pen or a little bit more pen or spray or a little oil brush or crayons or marker, pencil or watercolor, and everything. There are many options, and here we have the tools. Here we have pencil, color picker, here a text, eraser, color picker, and the magnifier. And here we have some rotate one, and here we have select, copy, cut, paste. Okay, and here is the big drawing area. Okay, so let's get started. For this, we will have to get a big rectangle. Okay, there you go. Good. Then we'll need 2 lines. So for this, in the shapes group only, we have the lines option, from which we can make lines. 2 lines like this. Ooh, that's good. Then we can make, for the eyes, we will need some circle from the shapes group. Yeah, our letters having eyes too. That will be silly, but it will look cute after. There you go, and then here 1 eye. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you can change the size if it's looking too big or too small. If you get here, you can change the direction where you want it, or if you want it here or here. But for me, I want my eye to be here. Perfect. And then we will choose up. And now for this smile, we don't have any shapes so we can use this pencil tool, or we can even go in this. I have an idea. We can make a good upside down triangle smile. This is an upside down triangle, I know. Okay, then we will erase the extras. Yeah, here in the tools group we have this eraser from which you can rub the extras, but I want this smile to be a little bit bigger because our letters should be a little bit more happy. Let's make this a little bit more big. Okay, the biggest smile ever. Good. Okay, that's good enough, I guess. Else will be silly. Okay, and now we'll have to use the pencil tool, however. Okay, for this we can choose a thick line. I said you way to go. We will go in the size and choose. I'm having the thick line. Okay, there's the tongue. Okay, now it's not over yet. We'll draw some. This is turning good. Yay! That's good. It's not good. Okay, so far so good. There we go. Now we'll use these lines to make the line. 3 lines. Okay. Yep. And then we'll use a heart down in the shapes group. Good. That's pretty good. He's having a heart on his forehead. Okay, our letter's having a heart on its forehead. Okay, we will make some more lines here. Like this. Yep. Pretty good. Yeah. Okay, now we have goods. The letter, now we can fill some colors. Okay, just a sec. Okay, to fill the colors, we will use the fill with color tool. Which color can be used for a beautiful letter? I think we will use pink. Lovely pink. Oh, that's cute. Now we'll need these. Look how pretty these eyes turn. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, now we'll need red for the heart. Now we will choose we will need red here, and we can choose a little bit lighter, I guess. Oh, that's good. Look how pretty it looks, right? Now you guys know how to make paintings in the paint program, how to open it, and you know all the tools now, right? And the final one to save it is like this. Here you can see this file at the top right. Click on it, and now here you have many options, right? Save as, save, open, new. So we will click on save as, and here we can use. Here you can type the file name. I'll type the file name as a cute letter. There you go. Let's save it. So it's saved. Now I will show you. Let's minimize this, and it shrinks down here. And here you go. Here we have a cute letter. Okay, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.